Hello, third grade. Today we will read about the Southeast region. Again, a region is an area on Earth with common features that set it apart from other areas. The 12 states in the Southeast region are Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Florida, Alabama, Arkansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Mississippi, Tennessee, and West Virginia. Of the 12 states, Georgia is the largest, and Florida has the greatest population. That means the most people living there. And Louisiana is shaped like a boot. The largest and best known swamps in the United States are in the Southeast region. As a matter of fact, a huge wetland known as the Everglades covers most of the southern Florida. This region also contains many important shipping ports that connect the U.S. to many other countries around the world. The South is said to be the birthplace of country music and home to many great authors. It is also known for its wonderful cooking styles such as Cajun, Creole, Tex-Mex, and soul food. In addition, this region is home to endangered animals, houses the only active diamond mine in the United States, and has the largest underground cave in the world. What are two important facts you've learned about the Southeast region? You should write 2 facts here now. Turn off the video, pause it while you write your 2 facts, and then start the video back up. All right, now you're going to write in the names of the 12 states here, 1 through 12. You're going to need to look to this front cover and try to match the name of the state. So I see right there is AR. So I'm going to look over here for a state that starts with AR, and that would be Arkansas, right there. Arkansas, that one's a little bit cut off, so that one's kind of tricky, but you should be able to match these all up. I see FL, I see SC. Let's look here. I know that SC would be South Carolina, FL would be Florida. So you're going to match it up and you're going to write the states in there. I want you to write out the whole name of the state. You'll need to write small and neatly. You can turn off the video while you complete that page. Then turn to page 3 after you're done, and we will continue with climate. The average pattern of weather for a particular region is called climate. The Southeast has mild winters that are not very cold and hot. And hot, humid summers. So the winters are not very cold, the summers are hot and humid. The warm climate is due to the fact that the region is closer to the equator than most parts of the country. Although hot, this area gets quite a bit of rainfall as well. Climate plays an important role in the vegetation for this area of land. The long, hot growing season and the fertile soil needed for harvesting have made this area perfect for farmers that grow crops such as oranges, rice, sugarcane, etc. On page 3 in this large square, you are to draw a picture illustrating farmers growing crops in a hot climate. Crops are things that grow, oranges, rice, sugarcane. So you draw that here, and you should color it in using crayons or colored pencils. When you're done drawing your picture, turn the video back on, and you will learn about natural resources in this region. Natural resources are materials found in nature that people use. The Southeast region is known for its farming. Heavy rainfall and rich soil make this region ideal for growing a variety of crops. Some of the crops grown in this region include rice, sugarcane, tobacco, peanuts, and fruits. 2 states that are known for their delicious fruits are Florida, known for its oranges, and Georgia, recognized for its juicy peaches. A few more natural resources found in this region include trees, oil, natural gas, and coal. Trees help to provide paper and wood, which is used to develop a large furniture industry. Oil, natural gas, and coal, on the other hand, is burned to produce forms of fuel, which are an important resource for our country. Next, we'll read about landforms. That's on page 5. Landforms are natural features of the Earth's surface. So these are naturally occurring in nature. The states in the southeast region share many of the same landforms, such as mountains, plains, rivers, and swamps. The Appalachian Mountains, which cross through several states and lead into Canada, are among the oldest mountains in the world. The coastal plains, an area of flat, low-lying land, can be found along the Atlantic Ocean and the Gulf of Mexico. The Southeast also has many important rivers that are used to transport goods around the world. The Mississippi and Missouri rivers combine to form the longest river system in the U.S. This region is also home to a swampy area known as the Everglades, which is the only place in the world where alligators and crocodiles exist side by side. Lastly, we will read about landmarks in this region. Landmarks are important places or objects that can be natural or man-made. So sometimes a landform and a landmark might be one and the same. Crater of Diamonds. This is in Arkansas, the world's only diamond mine that is open to the public. People are allowed to dig for diamonds and keep any precious gems they find. Then we have the Kennedy Space Center, that's found in Florida. It's a base of operations for NASA and where rockets and shuttles are launched and monitored. Tourists also go there to learn about the history of spaceflight and travel. Stone Mountain in Georgia. This is the largest exposed mass of granite in the world. The huge carving is made up of 3 Confederate heroes, Jefferson Davis, Robert E. Lee, and Stonewall Jackson riding on their horses. And the last landmark we're reading about today is Mammoth Cave in Kentucky, the longest cave system known in the world. It has more than 365 miles of passageways and contains lakes, rivers, and unique animals, just to name a few of the wonders found underground. Thanks for watching.